Hi everyone, it's Rocky from GemLightbox, and today I'm with Julieta at our booth, and I wanted to ask her a few questions about what she's looking for at the show, what's popular, and what social media marketing channels are working well for her.
So what we're looking for at the show is to get to know more jewelers, also more gemstones and new designs. Because right now in Mexico we're looking for more designs in 14 karat gold, in 10 karat gold, and also we're looking for some silver designs that are similar to gold. And in Mexico, what we do for marketing, we do really catalogs and show them to our clients. And also, we sell a lot from Instagram or from the same jewelry. And that's why it's important for us to have a really good catalog in order for show it to our clients.
Is lab-grown diamonds right now very popular in Mexico as well?
Not really because of the price. Right now in Mexico, it is more popular, for example, 14 karat gold, 10 karat gold, or silver. Yeah, right now. And also a lot of designs from designers such as Van Cleef, Moncler. Yeah, that's what is having a lot um, of buyers in Mexico because of the popular figures there. Yeah.
Yep, so how are you currently photographing your jewelry?
Um, it is hard. We do it with professional cameras, and we have been trying to photograph it with like the special boxes, but they haven't really worked. That's why we're looking to expand our catalog with a better quality camera and box. That's why we're really interested in buying this. But yeah, we're very proud of what have we done right now because we started from photographing with our phones to first buying a professional camera, then a professional box. But now we want to expand more, and that's why we really like this. Yeah.
Awesome, well, thank you for dropping by, and we look forward to working with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.